180 guys. Minus 5. Banyak kepo tentang relationship pasangan. Ide lebih tua, seumur, muda.
Prom queen guys.
Hai
guys. Kembali lagi bersama Lee Siblings. I am Priscilla Lee.
I'm Yejin.
Oke guys, udah lama sekali kita kumpul bertiga dan shoot Q&A. Jadi kali ini kita udah upload di story dan kita udah mendapatkan beberapa questions
So many
siblings. Pasti kalian banyak yang kepo karena udah lama, cukup lama ya kita terakhir bikin konten bareng. Oke, let's go.
Kalian tinggi badan berapa? Tinggi-tinggi semua.
Tinggi nggak? Tinggi nggak kamu?
No.
Jujur tidak guys, kita nggak tinggi.
Nggak terlalu tinggi, biasa aja sih.
My height is
Jangan bohong.
just average Korean
Which
men
is
height.
biasanya itu 180 guys. Minus 5.
Minus 5. If it's in the morning, minus 4. Or even minus 3.
Kalau at night,
Minus 5.
Badan aku 166.
aku 163. Nggak gitu tinggi ya, klarifikasi.
Average aja, average.
Ada yang lahir di Indonesia? Saya.
Kita semuanya guys.
Or any of you in a relationship? In your opinion, how can we meet the right person? Tiga-tiganya kita single guys.
Single.
Single and happy.
Happy. Are you happy?
I am happy.
How do you think we can meet the right person?
You gotta be the right person first. If you're not like the right person and you just want like a perfect partner, it's not gonna work.
Kalau aku, value-nya harus sama. Nilai-nilai seperti, misalnya kan aku Kristen,
Agama.
berarti agamanya juga harus sesuai, harus sama gitu. Karena kalau beda, akarnya tuh udah beda. Jadi pasti berantem ujung-ujungnya atau nggak konflik.
Aku juga mirip sih. Kalau misalnya udah jadian nih, harus menjadi lebih baik. It has to be a relationship dimana aku bisa improve. Top 3 most played songs in June. In June? Aku suka That's So True by Gracie Abrams, Siren by Taeyeon, Open Space, ini lagu rohani dari Housefires.
Kalau aku Hegelin yang di album Square. Kalau yang kuandalkan by JPCC Worship, lagu jadul sih Epic High.
I can only think of one song. It's an old jazz music. It's called Almost Blue by Chet Baker. He's dead though.
Kalian tuh banyak kepo tentang relationship gitu ya?
Banyak yang mau pacaran.
Kalau milih pasangan, ide lebih tua, seumur, muda. Or doesn't matter.
Me personally, I don't mind.
Masa?
It's like Yeonsang, maybe not more than 2.
Kalau tonggap gimana tonggap?
Tunggap oke.
Okay.
Kalau
If it's younger, maybe like 4 years
maximum.
or 5 years
Maximum.
or 6. Just kidding, like 4.
Kalau aku gak mau yang seumuran.
Karena
Gak mau aja. Aku terlalu ini gak sih kayak temen.
kalau lebih muda,
Lebih muda oke, tetapi dia nggak boleh lebih muda more than 2 years.
Why?
Takutnya kayak bocil, takutnya. Tapi kalau
What if-
misalnya orang itu mature,
What if your like boyfriend is younger than me?
nggak bisa.
aku nggak terima, mohon maaf.
Berarti kamu paling suka kalau dia lebih tua.
Aku paling prefer kalau dia lebih tua. Kalau lebih tua mungkin sampai 7 tahun oke.
Aku juga sama sih guys. I don't mind, tapi kalau bisa lebih tua. Itu si abang emang kaku gitu ya.
Because I'm not used to.
Filming,
Yes.
content.
Yes. I
Dia
feel
nggak
very
biasa
awkward.
guys, nggak biasa ngomong depan kamera. Biasanya kan
Very
cuma
awkward.
main gitar, biasanya kan cuma nyanyi kan.
Kuliah jurusan apa kak? Aku bisnis dari SNU.
English interpretation and translation.
Aku bisnis juga.
Ceritain masa-masa SMA.
It's myself.
고등학교 시절. 고등학교 시절. 고등학교 시절 재밌는 얘기?
재밌는 얘기? Aku dulu ya, aku kan dulu sekolahnya di sekolah internasional yang ada di Indonesia. Jadi beda dong sama teman-teman aku yang ada di Korea. Seumur hidup tuh di Korea doang. Sekolah internasional itu mereka belajar tetapi belajarnya nggak seserius sekolah Korea kan. Selain belajar tuh banyak kegiatan kayak extracurriculum, we had like elective, clubs, band gitu kan. Jadi aku sempet ikut art, aku sempet jadi penyanyi di band. Terus kita kayak ikut banyak kompetisi sama sekolah-sekolah yang deket gitu kan. Jadi itu kegiatan yang menurut aku sih nggak bisa aku dapatkan di Korea. Sekolah internasional kan ada yang namanya prom night kan. Itu juga aku.
Oh, dia sempat jadi prom queen guys.
Aku kan prom queen guys. Jadi aku kan sebagai
kelas kepala kelas
ya.
kepala SMA guys.
Kayak panitia untuk mempersiapkan acara prom ini. Jadi aku ingetnya masa SMA aku sangat penuh dengan kegiatan dan itu seru. Aku jujur kangen banget.
Ya ada nggak?
Banyak yang kamu harus sharing dong, kan kamu dance, terus kamu gitar, kamu ikut band.
No, we don't have like a band.
Kamu pacaran, itu sharing dong, say.
Ya kalau ada cerita-cerita lucu gitu loh. Aku ada cerita, tapi aku ini masa SMP. Jujur masa SMP aku lebih suruh daripada masa SMA karena SMA aku kan di sekolah Korea yang ada di Indo. Jadi lebih fokus ke belajar doang. Tapi kalau SMP aku masih main-main gitulah. Ye-chan was very popular.
Ya.
Because dia sok cool gitu guys.
Kan jaim.
Dia sangat jaim. Teman-temanku atau cewek-cewek yang di sekolah itu mereka nggak tahu sifat aslinya Ye-chan kan. Jadi mereka pada cerita ke gue.
What they say?
Your brother is so cool. Kalau Ai cerita ke Ye-chan dia kayak seneng, dia kayak egonya tuh kayak ngeboost gitu loh.
All I can remember is that I played soccer every day. Maybe band like at the end of semester. And study. That's pretty much it.
Oh, kamu kan dance juga.
Like one time.
Boy band.
I was so embarrassed.
With sang sabi.
My friend made me dance.
Ya.
Yeah. I was forced to join.
Oke. Aku kayaknya ada videonya deh. Yang kamu
Bisa.
lagi dance. Ye-chan lagi dance.
Kencana.
Siapa di antara kalian yang paling muda? Kalian nggak tahu ya?
Aku guys.
Aku paling muda, baru Ye-chan, baru Pris. Usianya boleh dikasih tahu nggak?
Enggak dong, itu kan rahasia sampai dikubur.
Aku 23, Ye-chan 26, dia
Cut.
Kalau ini kayaknya only Ye-chan can answer.
Okay.
Ronaldo or Messi?
I prefer Ronaldo.
Why?
Why?
Messi is better, but I personally like Ronaldo better.
Character wise?
Yes.
Ingin menetap di Korea atau Indonesia? 1, 2, 3. Indonesia.
Me, I think it's Korea at this moment.
Why?
Kenapa?
It's just so convenient here in Korea.
I think depends on the person. I find it more convenient in Indo. Kalian gereja di mana?
Kita gerejanya beda semua.
Beda semua guys.
Tiga-tiganya beda semua. Ye-chan di mana?
It's in front of my school,
Namanya?
Hanam.
Namanya UBF. Seperti orang tua kita. Kalau aku di JPCC, ya Jin di
Abalov. Kalau di Indo di Abalov, kalau di Korea GBI Seoul ada di Sinchon guys. Kita beda semua.
beda semua guys.
Kenapa Kenoninya jarang ikut? Maksudnya bareng di konten.
I think she's just shy.
She's too shy.
Ayat favorit.
Ayat favorit banyak.
Harus pilih satu. Your favorite
Favorite?
Bible verse.
당연히 강하고 담대하라.
Favorite Bible?
그거 Joshua 아닌가?
여호수아.
kalau aku itu 항상 기뻐하라.
기뻐하라.
감사해 감사하라. 쉬지 말고 기도하라.
No, I really can't think of one.
Ini dia jarang baca gitu.
Ayat ini dong, ayat tahun ini apa?
Kamu belum right person, say. Between you tiga, kira-kira siapa yang akan marry and have kids first? Ini sangat misteri sih guys. Harusnya dia ya.
Mystery, mystery.
I think you'll get married first.
You sure? Are you praying for it?
No, maybe like for the next 5 years.
Why?
Because I'm still a student.
No, she was asking, are you praying for her?
Oh,
You praying for me?
your marriage?
Yeah.
No.
What?
Why?
I'm busy
No
with
wonder.
that. It looks like you're not even trying.
I'm praying.
But you're not like meeting anyone. Oh,
Yeah,
personally.
but I believe. I don't believe her, but I believe Jesus can do miracles. So I pray that she will get married soon.
Amen.
Harusnya sesuai urutan. Dia dulu, baru Yechan, baru I.
Tapi kan kita nggak tahu. Tiba-tiba Yejin mau married?
Kalau cowoknya mapan oke sih. Mapan is like financially stable.
Ready.
Kenapa Opa jarang banget update sosmed?
Because I'm also very shy.
Oh, shy.
Why are you shy
No,
cat?
I genuinely thought about
Shy.
deleting Instagram.
Why?
It's like stressing me out.
Why? Why?
It's very
You keep opening-
uncomfortable. It
Do you,
feels very
do you not
uncomfortable.
like it when your friends know?
No, I don't like it. So when I first, transferred to Korea University,
You wanted to delete your account?
yeah.
No!
When you like meet new people, you know how you like share Instagram with each
Yeah.
other. I don't tell anything about it, and they start looking at my followers. They're like so surprised,
Oh, we're so famous.
and I don't like that.
Di antara kalian ada niatan nikah sama orang Indo nggak?
I don't care.
Aku ada.
Aku juga ada. Tapi kalau misalnya kehendak Tuhan ternyata orang Korea, ya udah orang Korea. Sebenarnya aku nggak mandang warga negara
Fisik.
sih. Heeh.
Kalau
Oh,
fisik mandang.
Fisik mandang dong. Fisik mandang banget dong. Maksudnya dia harus rapi orangnya, harus ganteng. Aku malah mandang fisik, bukan mandang warga negara. Iya nggak? Ya kan?
As long as the person can speak English or
Yeah.
Korean, for me,
Oh.
because I don't speak Indonesian that well.
Oh, berapa TOEFL paling tinggi yang pernah kamu raih?
내 차이 110이었던 것 같은데? 110?
Yeah, so I took the test like I think
months ago.
7-8 months ago.
110?
Yeah, 110 was my score.
Mine was 105.
Aku nggak terlalu tinggi, kayaknya aku 103. Karena I took the test like 3 times I think. Aku fokus ke SAT guys, bukan TOEFL.
Iya, itu lebih susah. Pernah berantem sampai jambak-jambakan. Bang, 이렇게 머리 크게 잡으면서 막 이렇게 잡으면서 gitu.
Aku pernah berantem sama Grace. Tapi kalau sama mereka aku nggak pernah berantem. Oh ya kalian berdua pernah deh. Tapi bukan jambak-jambakan, ditereo. Aku ingat ya kan suka pukul Yeji.
Well, mom would always get angry.
Ya,
if
jadi
I hit
mami
her
tuh
head.
sampai marah banget. Kamu kenapa mukul adik kamu gitu?
Kamu kok jadi abang gitu sih?
No, I'll tell you why. No, that's because Yeon and Grace, they always like told me, sering dimarahin.
Oh, oke.
Jadi, I was saying, I couldn't hit you back because I was so scared. I was so small. They were like already like grown up, right? So I had to go to Yejin.
What?
Yejin, bring me water. And she wouldn't listen, right? So I got mad. Bring me water. I mean, oppa, you gotta listen to your oppa.
Yo. I never told you to bring water.
Maybe
It was
Grace.
always Grace.
Yeah. It's called Nerigaibum. Explain Nerigaibum.
Bukan dari aku ya guys. Ternyata penyebabnya itu Grace ke Yechan, Yechan ke Yejin.
Terus gue ke siapa gitu
Aku
loh.
kan sandwiched.
Tapi I didn't listen. So
You
good
shouldn't
job.
listen.
Good job. Younger.
And you also hit me back.
I don't remember. Because I asked her and she didn't say that.
아 예진이 못 때릴 처진 아니었지.
I
너무
때렸어.
조그맸지.
맞았어.
그래?
And the thing is, mom would always tell something bad to me, not to her.
Because I'm
She's just a baby.
just a baby.
I was-
Just a baby.
Guys, makasih untuk kalian yang sudah bertanya. Semoga kalian enjoy the video. Bye bye.